Engine misfires can be a real headache. Imagine your car struggling because one cylinder isn't firing properly. This can happen due to a faulty spark plug, a clogged fuel injector, or even a worn ignition coil. When any of these components fail, you might feel a rough ride, decreased power, or even hear that annoying sputter. It's not just one cylinder that can misfire. It can involve multiple ones, leading to poor fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Keeping your engine in top shape means regular checks on these parts to avoid that frustrating